Let me introduce you to Mary. Mary is an IT recruiter and starting her new job. She is looking for people to fill the vacancy as a Java developer. But the thing is, she doesn't know what Java is. There she is, endless searching the web for some information on what Java is or what developers do at their job. Mary's searches led her to terms like C#, Scala, and PHP. Ah yes, Java environment, Java JDK, Java SDK, Java EE. There is so much information that she's getting a bit lost in all of it. Are you okay, Mary? Wait, what? Java beans? Oh, and Javanese. JavaScript. Oh, Mary, wait, that's not... She's talking to a developer. He seems to be the perfect match. But something isn't working as expected. He doesn't look interested in that vacancy. He is a JavaScript developer, right? Mary, Java and JavaScript are not the same thing. Meanwhile, her colleague, also an IT recruiter, is following the tech jargon training, learning all the basics about the IT world she needs to get her job done. In no time, she is already talking to developers, and the communication seems to be a lot better, while Mary is still struggling to understand their language. The job openings that her colleague is publishing are getting a lot of traction, and developers can't wait to work with her clients. However, Mary is persistent and committed, so she found a developer for one of her vacancies. But she thought there must be another better way. Yes, Mary, there's a better way. How about following the tech jargon training? A 3-day program where you'll learn how to understand the technical language, read and write technical job descriptions, and find the right technical talent for your vacancies. So sign up now.